Hello there, Jose Rodriguez back again. I have a little supplemental video. As you know, if you've been following this series on reviving this printer, I was up to episode 6 where I installed the external ink bottle that's back here now. And I wanted to show you a couple of the prints that I have been able to make out of this printer. Remember, this printer is loaded with a set of OEM carts that I have modified for refilling, and I just have very generic dye ink loaded on it. Nothing really special. I'm sure that if I was to go ahead and load some good image specialist inks from, say, Precisioncolors or inkjetcarts.us, I would be doing a lot better than this. So these are really cheap Chinese inks, and you can see how well so far the results have been. I hope you can actually see, at least get an idea of the quality that these cheap Chinese inks are producing. But the point I want to get across is that this printer was not able to do any of this a few weeks ago. Alright. We'll see you on the final episode. I did say that I was going to do some internal cleaning and show you how to do the alcohol soaked paper trick to clean the rollers, but I also wanted to show you how to clear a really stubborn clog. Now, I'm almost afraid to do it, and there are videos out there on how this is done. Basically, you would take a syringe such as this, and this syringe has a little bit of a piece of tubing, and what you do is you move the carriage over to the exchange location and either turn off the power by pulling the plug or start up the printer and then turn off the power as soon as the carriage moves. Lay some paper toweling below, bring the head over the paper towel, and with the cart removed, you actually insert this tubing directly over the tip of the printer carriage. That's the ink stem, that is, and then you would very carefully inject some Windex into that stem, and that will clear out any stubborn clogs. Now, sometimes you have to just inject a little bit and then pull back. So you're going to be doing injection, maybe 1 ml, pull back, 1 ml, pull back, and then inject a little bit more, and then just let it sit. Just let that thing sit there for a while until the ammonia and the Windex has a chance to dissolve that dried up ink that may be blocking those nozzles. It's a kind of a dangerous procedure to do. You could actually delaminate the print head. Now, there is an accessory that one can buy. Basically, this thing is a little contraption. You remove the cart and insert this directly over the ink stem. See how it has a little O-ring seal? So you insert that over the ink stem, and then you just insert a syringe and perform the same operation. You're going to inject Windex or any other cleaning solution into the print head. The little contraption, I got it from Inject Mall. You can get it from other third-party companies as well. Alright, we'll see you then at the final episode. Bye-bye.